Sorkar Jilla kala menjori ke jingthau jong ke Meghalaya State Education Commission ke bertemu ban pej banyak bat ai jengmut ya Sorkar Jilla kumno ban wengi ke jingeh ha tnad pule kentop ya ki school ki no hikai ki bor penyat school bat barok ki bedai benta bat ke pule puthi. Haba pentep ikene hadin ke jingalang kenhon menteri ha ka janmit jong ke khandai tarik unai wing arjar puar u menteri rangba ke Jilla ulaong baka jing persang ke Sorkar ha ki sausnam ban penbet penbiang ya ke tnad pule kelas dang ban urlong.
The Meghalaya State Education Commission has been approved. So we have constituted the Meghalaya State Education Commission today. It will be a 4-member committee with one chairperson and 2 advisors and 1 secretary. And basically the mandate is basically to advise the government of Meghalaya on matters relating to schools and colleges in the terms of their systems that are run there, their institutional structures, their salary structures, the overall schools and college management functioning and accountability, and to produce a concrete solution and strategic recommendation for ushering in reforms in the education system for the perspective of NEP and 2020 and also the state education policy and fulfilling its various principles and articulations. This will also include management of aided schools, institutions, their performance concerning general functioning, activities, operation and accountability of the SMCs and the GBs, consolidation of the different categories of aided schools, colleges and systems for granting and upgrading aided status of colleges and schools, establishment of effective mechanism to ensure pay parity with regards to salaries of teachers under different aided categories with respect to government teachers, the way forward for issues pertaining to teachers under SSA, rationalization of schools, especially with regards to unviable schools, surplus schools, low enrollment schools, zero enrollment schools, single digit enrollment schools, and single teacher schools. Problems relating to availability of language teachers, especially in border areas. Though in the last 4.5 years, of course, we have done whatever was possible from the government side, and I'm happy to inform you that the efforts that have been put in from the government of Meghalaya in the last 4 years has started showing some improvement. So under the PGI scores that comes out from Niti Aayog, just recently there was a scoring, and I'm happy to inform you that the Niti Aayog has officially notified that in terms of infrastructure and facilities, Meghalaya is ranked number 2 in the sense that the second highest improvement in the country in terms of infrastructure has happened in the education sector in Meghalaya. And in fact, we are the highest improved school, state in the northeast. And other areas also like equity also, we are the highest improved state in the northeast and the 5th highest improved state in India. And in fact, overall, in all the 5 indexes that are there by the PGI, Niti Aayog, for the education sector, they have ranked Meghalaya as the 5th highest improved state in the country and the 2nd highest improved state in the northeast. So, though we have seen that our efforts are showing some results, but I think more focused approach is required, and hence, in spite of things moving forward, we would like to see that this Meghalaya State Education Commission will be able to take things forward in a much more structured manner in the long run.